Welcome back. My name is Devin Cook, and today I'm going to be talking to you about why you should get your real estate license and why selling real estate in a recession can end up making you millions of dollars. Now, the reason I'm making this video is because some people are worried with the state of the market right now that we're in, if they should get their real estate license right now. And I've seen people talking online about whether they should get their real estate license in a recession. So this video is to answer that question. And there's 5 main reasons that I'm going to focus on. And the first one is opportunity. Whenever you see an opportunity that is large and is scalable, like real estate, you should do your best to seize that opportunity whenever you see it. So if you have the opportunity right now to start a new career and get into real estate and start selling residential or commercial real estate, why would you not take that opportunity if that's something you're wanting to pursue? And this is really just a mindset shift that you need to make. You need to stop thinking in terms of why you shouldn't do something or why you shouldn't take an opportunity, and start telling yourself why you should take that opportunity, you should take that promotion, or you should start that new business, whether it's real estate, life insurance, or whatever it is. And also, if you are thinking about getting your real estate license, make sure to check out the link down below in the description so you can get 20% off your licensing course. Now, the second reason you should start selling and get your real estate license during a recession is because there is a lot of market share to be gained during times like this. With any business, a recession is a great opportunity to really take market share because there's going to be competitors leaving the business. And just like you may be having some second thoughts about getting your real estate license right now, when you see the state of the market, you see the Fed increasing the federal funds rate by 75 basis points, and you wonder if everything is just going to come crashing down. Well, remember that you're probably not the only one thinking those same things, which means that other people who may have wanted to get their real estate license a couple months ago are maybe not going to go pull the trigger and get their license, which means ultimately that as a new agent, you're going to have less competition. We've also had a large influx of new real estate agents over the past couple of years because the real estate agent has been booming. But most of those agents haven't really seen a recession like we did in 2008. And so if the market were to trend that direction, a lot of those agents are going to leave the industry. And that creates just even more opportunities for a new young gun like yourself to go get your license and go do extremely well selling real estate and taking that market share. And some very successful real estate agents, which you may have heard of and are popular on YouTube, like Meet Kevin, Graham Stephan, and Ryan Serhant, all started selling real estate in 2008, 2009, right around there. And so that just goes to show that you can sell real estate at any point, because now Ryan Serhant is selling about $1 billion in real estate a year. But he never would have gotten there if he hadn't just started selling real estate right away. Now, the third reason why it's a great idea to get your license right now in a challenging market is because by selling real estate during challenging times and challenging markets is only going to build and strengthen your skill set. And the stronger your skills are in real estate, the better you're going to do and the more houses you're going to sell. Because real estate is largely skill-based. You have to put in the work and you have to build your skills. And if you do those 2 things and those 2 things only, you're going to be successful, more successful than a lot of agents who don't build their skills and don't put in the work. So don't just get scared and think things are going to be tough selling real estate in a down market, and maybe you don't want to do that because it'll just be too hard. Take this opportunity where the market is tough to build those skills so that way you can build a lasting business. Now, the fourth reason, which I touched on a bit earlier, is that many agents are going to be scared about what the real estate market may or may not do, or what the normal financial market is doing right now. And so that's going to cause some agents to get out of the market. And when you have agents leaving the industry, maybe not renewing their licenses or going and getting a normal job, that's going to create a vacuum that needs to be filled. And you can fill that vacuum by being the new next top producer in your market. And the fifth reason why you should get your license right now, no matter what the market does, is because if you can sell houses that others cannot, especially if the market was to go significantly down and we hit a heavy recession like we did in 2008, which I don't think is necessarily going to happen with real estate. I don't expect prices to go down, but if that were to happen and you can sell houses that others can't sell, then you're going to be providing a lot of value to the marketplace. And because of that value that you're providing, which creates a unique competitive advantage in your favor, you're going to be able to sell way more houses than the competition. You're going to make a lot of money and you're going to make a name for yourself that's going to last as long as you do well continually throughout many, many years. agent. So those are the 5 reasons why you shouldn't be scared to get your real estate license right now in this market. If you're thinking about getting your license, don't be scared, take the opportunity, seize it, and make the most of it. And you truly can be very successful in this market and any other market. But I truly think that this market right now that we're in has some very strong advantages that will benefit you as a new agent.